everyone, I'm Elaine Adaw from Mastermind Hub Co-working Space, and today I will be teaching you on how to create a Facebook business account. The first thing to do is to go to facebook.com and log into your own account. Upon entering your Facebook account, you can see at the left side of your Facebook that there is a Pages option. Click on it and click on the Create New Page. This part includes your page information. Type in your page name, for example, Lunaville Clothing. On the category option, this is where you choose what type of service or business you provide on your own page. You can add up to 3 categories. Since Lunaville is a clothing line, then the category we should put is clothing. On the description box, this is where you freely put any details or information about your page. You can add images, contact info, and other details after you create the page. Once you're done, press the Create Page and wait for it. Once your page is created, now you can add images and other details on your page. Click on the Save button on the left side corner to save the changes that you have made. This is now the page that you have created. Now you can add a button like Follow. As you can see on the Add a Button section that there are a lot of action buttons. Just click whatever you want to display on your page. Example, send message, edit your frequently asked questions, and of course don't forget to save it. To add a profile photo, click on the camera, choose Edit Profile Picture, and upload your photo. Once you're done choosing your photo, don't forget to save. Let's not forget to add a cover photo for your page. Click on the button which has the camera and edit on it. Choose Upload Photo. Drag to reposition your photo, and once you're done, click on the Save Changes. You can also connect your FB business page to your Instagram. To create your own username, press on the Create Username and create your own username. People and your customers will be able to find you through your username. Once your username has a green check on the right corner, click on the Create Username. To promote your page, there are 2 options. Choose ad type, which is Get Started with Automated Ads or Create New Ads. When you click this button, there are other actions like, follow, share, invite friends. On your About section, you can edit your page info. On the General, you can edit your name and username. Contact is where you put on your business phone number, and you can even add your WhatsApp phone number. You can also add your email on your business page. You can also add your website link if you have your own website. On the location option, this is where you put your address, city, ZIP code so that your customers will know where are you located. You can also put your business hours. Is it either always open, permanently closed, or open on selected hours where you can edit the specific time your business is open and closed. There are also temporary service changes, which has three options. Due to our pandemic, there is also a COVID-19 option where you could just choose whatever option that might suit you. On the More option, you can add additional information on your page. You can even put the price range on your product. You can also add your other accounts on your FB page. To promote your page, don't forget to invite your friends to like your page. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something in this video. Don't forget to like our page, like and share this video. Bye!